say maybe face, eye. Can you see?
Yes.
Orbit, lens. Face, lens. Nose and chin. And body. Roll. This week I checked the body weight.
Okay.
Baby's body weight is the standard for the agriculture growth.
Oh, okay.
The forehead and occiput. Forehead and occiput. And then transverse diameter. So head size is agriculture.
Okay.
Slightly larger and more larger.
Larger than usual? Oh, goodness.
Brain tissue. Okay.
Okay.
It's fine. We're all right.
Okay.
Touch. Maybe some abdomen side. Body weight calculate to the head size, abdomen size, and upper leg size. Bowel gas, stomach gas.
It's good?
Yes, good. Abdominal circumference is normal. In medical term, femur is
Oh,
one
yes.
is femur.
Yes.
Right side is normal. So baby's weight is 190 grams.
Oh, okay.
One gross.
Is it a big baby?
No,
Oh.
not cut.
Okay.
This standard is for foreigner standard.
Oh, okay.
It's machine is the Germany.
Okay.
Umbilical cord behind the external genitalia, but I think the boy, your
Is it a
baby's
boy?
Yes,
Oh,
has
okay.
This area is the side,
Okay.
and the middle is of the external. Which about eight? That's well moved. You feel the baby's movement is turning focus.
Oh,
One heartbeat. Heartbeat is normal. Baby's ear, left ear,
okay.
and right ear, Y-shaped. Baby's head,
Oh, yes.
with down.
Yes.
This is a right hand thumb, okay?
Oh, yes.
And
There's the whole head.
second, third, fourth,
Oh,
fifth, okay? 사진은 예쁘게 찍어야 돼. All video are full hand, full finger.
yes.
And the other left hand, the thumb, okay?
Yes.
I think he's giving us the thumbs up, Susan. You see?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Direct into thumb, second, third, fourth, fifth.
Okay.
Direct into second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay.
Okay.
Thumb position. Put hidden.
Oh yes, you can't see
And
the
I think the normal. Okay.
Looks,
Good.
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
The toe. Other side is visual. Next time I check it.
Okay,
I
that's
think the
fine.
normal. This is the voice external.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it's a boy?
Yes, boy.
Okay.
Do you want a boy?
Yes, you're happy with
Boy is good.
In Korea, many people like the boy.
Oh, okay. No, we don't care, but we're happy with the boy.
As long as the baby is healthy, that's most important.
Okay. Baby is very healthy. The placenta is safe, and the amniotic plate is support. Baby is very healthy. Next time I check the foot number
Okay.
and the heart shape. Okay. Okay. Good. Do you know
He's
that?
giving us a thumbs up
Yeah,
again.
Here and occipit.
Yes.
Rotation too. All the time. Still see the posterior face.
Oh,
We all need the baby's posterior or back. Baby's back.
oh, there.
Stand. Now deepen it to baby's face, okay? Arm, upper leg.
Yes.
Okay, good. Baby's